Are you frustrated with a low credit score and finding it challenging to qualify for loans or credit cards? You're not alone, and dealing with credit problems can be overwhelming. But there's a solution that many people find incredibly helpful: credit repair companies. In this video, you will learn how credit repair companies can easily solve credit problems. These companies offer professional services that can help you improve your credit score and regain financial stability. What do credit repair companies do? Credit repair companies are specialized firms that help individuals improve their credit scores by identifying and addressing issues on their credit reports. These companies have expertise in navigating the complexities of credit reporting and can handle the tedious and time-consuming process of reviewing your credit report in detail. They look for inaccuracies, outdated information, and fraudulent accounts that might be dragging your score down. By doing a thorough analysis, they can pinpoint exactly what needs to be fixed, saving you the hassle and stress of doing it yourself. How credit repair companies dispute errors. One of the primary ways credit repair companies help improve your credit score is by disputing errors on your credit report. Mistakes on credit reports are more common than you might think, and they can significantly impact your credit score. Credit repair companies use their knowledge and experience to challenge these inaccuracies with the credit bureaus on your behalf. They gather evidence, draft dispute letters, and follow up with the bureaus to ensure that the errors are corrected. This process can be complex and time-consuming, but the professionals handle it efficiently, often achieving results faster than if you tried to do it on your own. The benefits of professional credit repair services. Hiring a credit repair company offers several benefits. First, it saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. Second, these companies have the expertise to identify and challenge inaccuracies effectively, increasing the likelihood of a successful dispute. Third, a better credit score can lead to lower interest rates, better loan terms, and increased financial opportunities. Additionally, many credit repair companies provide personalized advice on how to maintain a good credit score in the future, helping you stay on track even after your credit issues are resolved. By understanding what credit repair companies do, how they dispute errors, and the benefits of using professional services, you can make an informed decision about whether this option is right for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and improving your credit score.